Thinking about becoming a Wisconsin notary? Here's what you need to know to pass the exam. Wisconsin offers one of the most affordable paths to becoming a notary public in the United States. The state-required online tutorial and exam are completely free to take, with unlimited retakes. Furthermore, the required 4-year surety bond is only $500, one of the lowest amounts in the nation. With a simple $20 application fee, your total startup costs can be under $100, making it an incredibly accessible professional credential to add to your skill set. While the process is affordable, the exam itself demands careful preparation. The Wisconsin Notary Exam consists of 30 questions, and you must answer at least 27 correctly to achieve the required 90% passing score. This is a higher threshold than in many other states. The exam must be completed in a single session, so you can't save your progress and return later. This makes understanding the key topics before you begin absolutely critical. Proper study is the key to passing on your first attempt. A major part of the exam covers the different types of notarial acts. The two most common are acknowledgments and jurats. For an acknowledgment, the signer is simply confirming they signed the document voluntarily. For a jurat, the signer must swear or affirm that the contents of the document are true, and they must sign it in your presence. Knowing the precise requirements for each, including when an oath is necessary, is essential for both the exam and your future duties as a notary. As a notary, you are a public official with serious responsibilities governed by Wisconsin Statutes Chapter 140. It is illegal to notarize your own signature or any document where you have a direct financial interest. You cannot provide legal advice or choose the type of notarization for a signer. Crucially, you must never notarize a signature unless the person is physically present before you, as required. Understanding these prohibited acts protects the public, the integrity of the transaction, and your own commission from liability. Your official tools are your seal and your journal. The Wisconsin Notary Seal must contain the words Notary Public, State of Wisconsin, and your legal last name. While a journal is not legally required, it is strongly recommended as your best protection against any future claims or disputes. It provides a detailed record of every act you perform. For identification, you can rely on personal knowledge of the signer or government-issued photo IDs, like a driver's license or passport, but always check the expiration date. After you pass the exam, the process is straightforward. First, print your completion certificate. Next, purchase your $500 surety bond from a licensed provider. Then, complete the official application, sign the oath of office, and order a notary seal that meets state requirements. You'll submit a sample of your seal impression along with your application and the $20 fee to the Department of Financial Institutions. After about 2 weeks of processing time, you will receive your commission and can officially begin notarizing. Passing the Wisconsin Notary Exam is an achievable goal with the right preparation. Don't leave that 90% score to chance. Visit openexamprep.com to access our complete Wisconsin Notary Exam guide, review key topics in depth, and use our practice questions to test your knowledge. Build your confidence and get ready to pass on the first try. Click the link in the description to start studying today.